Hello everyone, welcome back to today's session. Myself Naveen, I am the maths mentor. And today's session, let us discuss about the most important question from the chapter probability. Coming to question number 1, if you drop a die at random on the rectangular region as shown below, then find the probability that the die fall inside the circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Most of the children, they did not understand the question. The main important is we need to understand the question. Okay, let me explain what is given, what we need to find. Children, fortunately they are dropping a die random on the rectangular region. Okay, like that they dropped a die inside the rectangular region. Okay, then they are asking what is the probability. What do you mean by probability? Probability is nothing but chance. Getting chance, right? Find the probability that the die fall inside the circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. నువ్వు ఇట్లా డైని డ్రాప్ చేస్తే అది ఇన్సైడ్ ద రెక్టాంగులర్ రీజియన్ పడొచ్చు. Sometimes it may fall inside the circular region also. అయితే క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి? We know that probability of an event, we have a formula, probability of an event P of E equal to number of favorable outcomes to the total number of outcomes. This is our formula, probability of an event. I think total number of outcomes is nothing but total area of rectangular region, because your total area is rectangular region. And what is our favorable outcome? That fall inside the circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Here what is our favorable outcome? The outcome is it may land inside the circle. Children, are you understanding? What is the favorable outcome here? The favorable outcome is inside the circular region. What is the total number of outcome? Is nothing but total area of the rectangular region. అదొక్కటే అర్థం చేసుకుంటే రిమైనింగ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. Total number of outcomes is nothing but total area of rectangular region. So let me write P of E equal to area of rectangle region. This is our total that is total number of outcomes. And what about favorable outcome? As the favorable outcome is that die fall inside the circle of radius 3.5 centimeter, right? So favorable outcome is area of circular region. Children, did you understand? What is P of E? Here P of E is nothing but area of circular region. P of E is nothing but area of circular region to the area of rectangular region. Okay, I hope you understood question. Now what is the area of circle if the radius is given? If radius is given, area of circle formula is pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. And what about area of rectangle formula? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So P of E equal to area of circular region pi r square, area of rectangular region L into B. So we know, children, what is the value of pi? As the value of pi is 22/7. And what about radius? As it is given, radius is 3.5 centimeter. Radius is 3.5 centimeter. I can write as 35/10, pi to the 5/7. So that implies R value how much, children? R is 7/2. Right? R value is 7/2. Actually we have R square here. R square is nothing but R into R, right? Yes. R value 7/2 into 7/2. Confuse aitundra? No. Pi value 22/7 substitute chestam. R value we got 7/2. R square is there, 2 times we need to write 7/2 divided by length into breadth. What is given length, children? This is our length and this is our breadth, right? In a rectangle, longest stud is called length, which is 10 centimeter, into shortest stud is called breadth, which is 5 centimeter. Right? Now I can cancel 7 7 to 1 jar, 2 11 jar. Right? So P of E equal to 11 into 7 by 2. Actually here nothing means 1. So here also nothing means 1, here also nothing means 1. It will become reciprocal. So this will become 1 by 10 and it will become 1 by 5. So we can't cancel, right? 2 into 5 into 10, that's all. So 11 7 jar 77 divided by 2 10 jar 20, 25 jar 100. So 77 by 100, which is nothing but 0.77. So what is the probability that may land inside the circle of radius 3.5 cm, which is nothing but 0.77. Children, probability of an event, answer must be lies between 0 and 1. Probability of an event is always lies between 0 and 1. ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనకు ఆన్సర్ అయితే 0 అని రావాలి, otherwise 1 or else in between 0 and 1. Children, did you understand the question? Okay, if it is the worst case, they are asking this question only. So no need of confusing. ఒక్క నిమిషం బాగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే సింప్లీ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ బై ఏరియా ఆఫ్ రెక్టాంగిల్. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ ఫార్ములా బై ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ and area of rectangle formula L into B. That's all. After that we need to substitute, you'll get easily answer. Okay, actually this question they asked for 8 mark question. This is 8 mark question actually. Okay children? Yes. Now coming to second question, as like similar question, see children, if you drop a die at random on the rectangular region as shown below, then find the probability that the die fall inside the circle of diameter 1 meter. Here what is mentioned over here? Previous question radius is given, but whereas in this question diameter is given. What is the diameter? As it is given diameter 1 meter and rectangle whose length is 3 meters and breadth is 2 meter. Okay, so they are asking to find the probability P of E equal to area of rectangular region, area of circular region, area of circular region to the area of rectangular region. Okay, so children, if diameter is given, what is the area of circle? If the diameter is given, what is the area of circle? We know that in general area of circle is pi r square. But here diameter is given 1 meter. What about radius? Radius will be half of the diameter. Radius will be half of the diameter. I mean pi into d by 2 whole square. So pi into d square by 2 square means 4. So if diameter is given, what is the area of circle formula children? Pi d square by 4. If diameter is given, what is the area of circle formula? Pi d square by 4, right? So P of E equal to pi d square by 4 divided by, what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is L into B, right? So P of E equal to pi value 22 by 7, diameter is given 1 into 1 divided by 4, okay, whole divided by L into B. L equal to 3 and breadth is equal to 2. If you are confusing like this, what we will do, separately we will find, so that you can do it easily. Okay, pi d square by 4. So first let us find area of circular region. As the value of pi is 22 by 7, d value 1 into 1 divided by what? 4. So 2 11 jar, 2 2 jar. So 11 by 7 2 jar 14. So which is equal to 11 by 14 divided by length into breadth. Length is 3. Area of rectangular region is L into B. I mean 3 into 2. 3 2 is how much? 6. Right? Nothing means I can write as 1. So P of E equal to 11 by 14. It becomes 1 by 6. Right? So So that is 11 by 14 6 are 84. So what is the probability? That is equal to 11 by 84. Children, here I found individually area of circle. If diameter is given, area of circle is pi d square by 4, pi value 22 by 7, diameter is given 1 into 1 divided by 4. I wrote here 2 2s are 2 11s are 11 by 7 2s are 14. That is area of circle. And then I found area of rectangle 3 into 2 6. Reciprocal, it becomes 11 by 84. Okay children. Now coming to third question. A missing helicopter is reported to have crossed somewhere in the rectangular region as shown in the figure. What is the probability that it crossed inside the lake as shown in the figure? Okay children, even you have to read the question properly. Helicopter anta missing ayindanta, and they reported that it may land, it may cross inside, it may cross somewhere inside the rectangular region as shown in the figure. ekkado oka miss ayindi, kani ekkada miss ayinదో manaku teliyadu, but they are asking what is the probability that it cross inside the lake as shown in the figure. Adi lake lo pade chance enta undi? It may fall inside the rectangular region somewhere else, but they are asking what is the probability that it may land, it may cross inside the lake as shown in the figure. If you observe the diagram properly, as the total region is rectangular region and our probability is, our event is it may cross inside the lake. Our favorable outcome is it may cross inside the lake, and total number of possible outcome is area of rectangular region. Children, did you understand? What is the total area? Area of rectangle. Okay, what is the favorable outcome? It may cross inside the lake, area of lake. So probability of an event E, which is nothing but area of lake region to the area of rectangular region. So what are the length of the rectangular as well as what is the length of the lake region? If you observe here carefully children, as the length of rectangle is 9 km. So we know that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. If it is 9 km, then this side is also 9 km. But as they mentioned in the diagram, up to from here to, from this region to this region, they said 6 km. Children, what about this? This will be remaining how many kilometers? This will be remaining 3 km. What is the lake, length of the lake, which is 3 kilometers. Did you understand, children? Length of the rectangular region is 9 meter. As in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. From here to here, they mentioned 6 km. Then this will be 3 km. As well as breadth is mentioned over here 4.5 km. We know that opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. If it is 4.5 km, then this side is also 4.5 km only. But as they mentioned here, up to here 2 km, then what about this region? This will become remaining is 2.5 kilometers. So breadth is how many kilometers? 2.5 kilometers. Both are rectangular regions only, but this is lake and this is rectangular region. So area of lake is length into breadth. 3 into 2.5 divided by rectangle is 9 into 4.5. Right? As here we have after point 1 digit is there into 10. Here also after point 1 digit is there into 10. So this will become 3 into 25 divided by 9 into 45. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 5 5 ja, 5 9 ja. So 1 into 5 5 divided by 3 9 ja, 27. So which is equal to 5 by 27 is nothing but 0.185. By doing division you will get probability of an event P of E equal to 0.185. Children, did you understand? Okay, among these all three methods, they may ask any one question. Okay children, which is not a toughest question. The thing is we need to understand the question carefully. So that's all children. As we have discussed three types of problems. So after watching the video, even you need to try to solve the problem so that you can do it easily. So don't forget to hit subscribe button. Children, like it and share it with your friends. Thank you.